isang special good morning to all of you. Apo, sa lahat po ng participating universities, number one, University of Perpetual Health, Calamba, sa lahat po ng delegates ng Colegio de San Juan de Letran, Laguna College of Business and Arts, Bayside National High School, good morning, Samsung, Calamba, Rotary Club of Calamba. Oh, I'm very sorry, hindi ko mapasa. Ano ba yun? LISP! Nako! Sorry. Ha? LISP! Engineer Lance, good morning. Rotary Club of Calamba, KKK, Kalikasan, Kultura, Kinakalinga sa Calamba. PNC Chemical, Philippines. Acro, Calamba Chapter. Lahat po ng Calambeño, lahat po ng Lagunenses, lahat po ng Pilipino, mabuhay po. First of all, excuse me, allow me to use English at this moment because I have a special mission. I have a special purpose, and this purpose is to reach one of my idols in the world history, none other than our very own the former president of the United States, who is Al Gore. No? Because I believe that walls have ears. No matter what, will be able to reach his ears. We don't have to hesitate because we are all the endangered species because of the endangered ozone layer. Hindi ba? I really wish I could have a taste of a close encounter with a former vice president and ask him how far did he go with his very famous advocacy. Was he able to convince the world leaders to strictly follow and comply with this beautiful advocacy? It's not a matter of good start. It's not a matter of good start and impressive presentation alone. It's a matter of application what he has started. After our presentation, after his assessment, what comes next? We must remember that we are the endangered species. Okay? It's not only the world leaders, but all of us without exemptions has the obligation to save our environment. Hindi po ba? So at this moment, I'm encouraging everybody please, let's all save the Mother Earth. We must remember that the earth does not belong to human beings. Human beings belong to the earth. And if we need to protect and prolong our life, we must, at all costs, protect and prolong the life of our own, the planet, the earth. Let us give back to earth its primal strength by protecting the laws of nature instead of abusing its bounty for personal gain or profit. Let us plant trees, clean our surroundings, replenish our aquifers, and segregate our waste conscientiously. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not speaking here in behalf of the nearly 500,000 Calambeños and nearly 3 million Lagunenses. And I'm not speaking in behalf of the 88 million Filipinos. I'm speaking in behalf of the 7 billion people who are only transient residents of this world. That ends my speech. I'm wishing that it will reach the ears of our former Vice President Al Gore. And now, para po sa ating mga Pilipino, alam niyo po, minsan ako'y nagmuni-muni. At sa aking pagmumuni-muni, bumulaga sa aking isipan ang kasaysayan ni Dr. Jose Rizal na kung ating pagsasama-samahin, bubuo ng isang napakagandang paghahain para sa ating lahat. Ito pong nakikita natin itong Laguna de Bay. Dito po, maligo si Dr. Jose Rizal habang hinihintay niya ang kanyang nobyang si Katigbak. Nula ng isang kasko, iyahatid sa Lipat City. Kaya napakamakasaysayan po itong ating pong pinagdadausan ng ating pong paglinis. So in behalf of our Mayor June Chipeco, Vice Mayor Porsing Uruga, our Governor Teresita Lazaro, and the rest of the Republic officials here in the city of Calamba and the province of Laguna. People of the Philippines, thank you very much to all of you. We welcome you here. Ay, welcome. Ina-acknowledge ko rin po ang ating pong kapitan ng tatlong barangay, Palisam, ang si Kapitan Brian Ercia, Narciso Hillaco, Jimmy Lopez, at lahat po ng kanilang kasamahan sa Sanggunian at ang kanilang pong mga barangay, what do you call that? Everybody, ex-barangay captain Erlan Ercia, Erlan Vetusto, at lahat po ng mga tao dito sa barangay. Thank you very much.